small tutorial how to remove front seats on Mercedes CLK 209. You could think it's just 4 bolts holding this seat and let's undo them and then remove the connections and that's it. But actually it's not that easy. You first need to think that these seats have few sensors in them. Occupancy sensor, airbag sensor, and also seatbelt tensioner. So this is connected with the connections underneath the seats, and if you would just unplug them, then you would have here some warnings, and you would need to go to your service shop to clean the codes after you connect everything again. So first we need to disconnect the battery and then wait around 30 minutes, maybe turn on the hazard lights just to drain this static charge if there is in the car, and then we can do all of that. So follow the steps to do it properly. Let's first disconnect the battery. Always start by disconnecting the negative side and then the positive, and when putting everything back, first put positive side and then negative to avoid any problems. In order to remove the seat, you need to undo 4 bolts, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, and these bolts are special and you need special socket to undo them. This is E12 Torx socket, and you see it's like a star and it fits nicely. So what we need to do, use extender, socket wrench, undo them, and then remove the seat. Now while the seat is still in this position, we just move it slightly backwards and then tilt it so that we see the wires underneath, and then we can disconnect them. If you have more connections here, then you have probably more options like heated seats or memory seats for your car, and you would need to disconnect every single connection in order to remove the seat. So do not pull for the wires, always try to use it from the connector, and you just try to wiggle it around and it will go out. And some of them can be tricky. You need to really pull for the connector, do not pull for the wires. And with this, after disconnecting everything, you can remove the seat. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more videos like this, and see you on the next one.